Hi guys, welcome to Marineline Tips. In today's video, we are looking at the issue of fixed smash. Is it real or not? That is the question they keep asking me. Nico asked me today, boss, do you believe in fixed smash? So I made this video just to explain that so that people like Nico will be able to understand the issue surrounding fixed smash. Let me tell you a story. In 2015, a friend of mine that lives abroad sent me a game. It was a game between Barcelona and Real Sociedad, and he said that it's a fixed match. I did not believe. He said I should stake on it, and that was the scoreline was, or the prediction was, Real Sociedad to beat Barca 2-0. I was like, I didn't believe, and it was in Barcelona home. And I stake on it. I just stake on it a little because I didn't want to stake much. Believe you me, in first half, Real Sociedad beat Barca 1-0. At the end of the game, 70 minutes, they score another one 2-0. At the end of the match, it was 2-0 in favor of Real Sociedad, and the odd was like 27 odds because Barca being at home, they gave Barca like 1.25 odds, while a straight win for Real Sociedad was like 11 odd or so. So for Real Sociedad to beat Barca 2-0 at Barca home, so the odd will be higher. So the odd was like 27 odds. So I just take 2,000 naira on it, and I won 50 something thousand naira. And it was a crazy experience. So the next day I chat him up. He said that he will link me up with the guy that gave him the game. I linked me up with the guy on Facebook, the guy from Serbia. So we chatted. The guy said I should send him some money. I sent him $50. The next day, the guy sent me a game in Argentina. The prediction was halftime, full time. I wait him to win at first half, then home team will win the match at the end of the day, and the odds was like 33 odds. So, and this game, 48 minutes they were still playing 0-0. 43 minutes the away team score. I was like, what is going on? Then after the second half came in, then 60 something minutes the home team equalized and they played 1-1. 88 minutes the home team score. The match ended 2-1 in favor of home, and I won the game. I was like, so is fixed match really real? So the next day I chatted the guy up. The guy said he just wanted to try me that day. For me to buy the next game, I will have to pay like $500, and then for you to send $500, it was very hard because then the immediate past president just came in, and then he stopped all foreign transactions. For you to send over $200 was very hard, and then there was nothing like Bitcoin. It was not that popular in Nigeria for you to send money across. So to send money across to a foreign country was very, very hard. So I couldn't continue with the guy. So my friend in abroad now sent some money to him. The guy sent me a game the next day. After some few days, the guy I didn't. The guy when I say block, he did not block me. The activated his Facebook account. I didn't know what happened. For over 3 months, I didn't hear from him again. Even my guy did not hear from him again. I don't know what happened to him. So that is it. Now back to our local Telegram guys. As you can see, the chat going on here is me between me and one guy that pretend to sell fixed match. So those Telegram guys they are all scammers. That's all I can say. There's no fixed match in Telegram. For you to get fixed match is very, 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 very difficult. So that is the brief story. So guys, fixed match is real, but it's hard to get. It's very difficult to get, and it's not cheap. So when someone tells you to send him $50, $100 to get fixed match, know that the person is trying to scam you. So run, because for you to get fixed match, you have to pay a lot, and and people keep asking, is it real? Yes, it's real, because there are so many scandals between footballers and some club. Back in 2019, 2003, all those Italian clubs were involved in so many fixed match scandals. There were so many stories about Italian football club being involved in fixed match issue. So there were so many of them, even in Turkey, in Belgium. So many, like club like Olympic Marseille was part of it. I think Calcio was part of it. Even here in Nigeria, a club, I think Plateau United, back in I think 1997 also, there was a particular match they fixed, and they scored like 60 something to 1-0 goal. That's they score 60 something goals to nothing. They scored the away team 60 something goals. So I will post the screenshot of that very much. So it's real, but for you to get it now is very hard. So don't believe all those guys on Telegram and Facebook that they are selling face match. They are all fake. So do not pay them any of your money. So that is my story when it comes to fixed match. So guys, congratulations to everyone that played yesterday 2 odds. In this channel we post 2 odds and 5 odds on daily basis for free. So those the 2 odds we posted yesterday won, and last week we've been winning back to back, just like 2 days out of that last week that messed up. So this week we believe it will continue to be fruitful for us. So if you are interested in our VIP games, you can check the comment section or drop my WhatsApp a link where you can chat me privately on WhatsApp. And also we have a Telegram channel where we interact with each other. So if you want to interact with other members or subscribers in this channel, kindly check the Telegram link in the comment section, and then join the group. Thank you guys. Always remember to bet responsibly.